spray it down with some stuff that's supposed to heal the mold. So hopefully it's more just staining than it is actual mold. I'm going to heal it. Now this thing's taking a lot of water, and the drywall here, the paper is exposed where the top layer of the drywall has come off. And you see this brown paper. If you try to just mud that, it's likely to bubble on you in the middle of the process, and that can turn into be a real mess. Especially, I see this a lot near where you've had water damage. If the paper gets exposed, the best thing to do is oil prime it. I got some kills here, which is going to work perfect for this project where you have water stain and this exposed drywall. So I'm going to try to fill out this mold. Just go ahead and scrape this loose paper off right quick before I prime. If you try to mud this first, it's going to be a big mess. So I'm just going to spray all this mold where this mold was, this whole spot. And I see there's more paper loose right there, because I seen it blowing like that. And before to fix this, you need to get all that loose back, pull it, get it to where it stops tight. And it did. And the same thing, I like to just scrape off the heavy, whatever sticking up. Then once you got this exposed, go ahead and prime it. And it takes a little bit of primer to lock it down. Be generous with the kills, especially on that flat area. Now when this dries, it's going to, you can see that it's it looks rough, and it is. It will be, this will dry hard though, and then you can take a piece of sandpaper and sand this off, and it'll help peel that down, and this should lock it down to where it stays tight. So that's our first step, and we just need to let this dry.